How to make an audio on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll here. Select the video you want from here and then tap on Next at the bottom. Here, tap on the arrow on the right side of the screen. Then, tap on the voice icon. Now, tap on Record at the bottom to record a voiceover. Tap and hold the Record button to record your voiceover. After that, tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Save at the top right corner. You can also add a sound by tapping on Add Sound at the top. Here you can view and explore all the available sounds on TikTok. Now, go to the top corner and tap on the search icon. Here, tap on Discover More Sounds under the search bar. Then go to the Your Sounds section as shown. Now, select an imported sound from here. You have now successfully added this sound to the video. After that, tap on Next at the bottom to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily make an audio on TikTok.